is so cute. Ain't nobody told you to put nobody in the head at the school.
No, Dad.
Don't talk about my box macaroni and cheese.
I'm talking about DJ when you got your return squad.
You know, life gets busy, but it's okay. Let's get what you can do for that day and move on to the next day.
Like and subscribe, yeah. It's family time, yeah. Life as Felicia Michelle, we kicking every time, yeah. We cooking it up, we running it up, we clean it up. But most important, we going up and we never get stuck, yeah.
What's good, LAFM fam? This your girl Fee. Welcome back to another day in the life video. For those who are new, welcome and hope you stay and subscribe and join the fam. I literally just got off of work. I am tired, but I've come home to my second job. I said, you know what? You know what my second job is? Come home, mommy duties. You know, gotta clean up. I didn't clean up last night. My kids got their clean clothes over the floor. I gotta wash some clothes. I gotta wash some dishes. I gotta do it all. I'm gonna show you what needs to be done. All right, so this is how my living room looked this morning, okay? When I said those blankets on that couch right there is clean. Those clothes on that couch is clean. These clothes in the basket is clean. These clothes on this couch and that floor and on top of the couch is clean. These kids couldn't find something in their room, and they came in and dug up out of my clean basket and then put the clothes back in the basket. So I'm gonna put those away and put these clothes away, for that blanket up, put this hair stuff away. My kids just left everything in disarray, and it's normally not like this. I gotta somehow get to that desk and clean it. I'm gonna do that today because I need my space back. I need my workspace back. Down here are our dirty clothes. I gotta get that washing. I gotta clean this dining area. I'm gonna turn the light on so you can see how crazy my kitchen is. Right here, dishes from last night. I gotta clean that. Clean these pots and pans from last night. We had some good hamburger, well, Velveeta helper, okay? It tastes like, it's better than hamburger helper. It's the ultimate Velveeta. It had that, green beans, some brownies, and some corn. When I said I was too tired last night to put anything up, I was too tired to put anything up, so I gotta do that. These dishes might be clean. Yeah, these dishes clean, so I gotta unload those and put them up. Yeah, I'm about to show y'all my plants, the progress of my plants. I got some, for those that didn't watch my last vlog, I got some jalapeno peppers, some bell peppers, and an aloe vera plant, and they are growing. Let's go see them. First off, look how beautiful they look, okay? Now this is the jalapeno plant. It's the mammoth jalapenos, and I already got one growing right there. Look how cute it is. Okay, got one growing, and I got another one growing as we speak, that little bud right there. That's the aloe vera plant. This is my cilantro plant. I forgot to tell you, I got this one as well. But cilantro, and this is my bell pepper plants. And it is growing, y'all. It's so cute. And I got another one budding up right there as we speak. That little light green one right there in the middle, and it's growing, and it's growing beautifully. I already watered it yesterday. It don't need no water. This one got, it's moisty in the middle, but I'll put some water in it this weekend because I got plenty of water in those. Let's get started and clean this mess up.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and cry. your better. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your better. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on cut when it gets hard. Stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey.
I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. Way up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. That went way up. Bend that mouse to feed. I pray that check flow stay up. All of my bros, they been my bros. I'm talking day one. I'm talking day one. Been at boys. Me and my bros do roll new keys, no deal, we been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros just got on God, I swear we been at next. I've been on ghosts as a kid, now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick, keep making that money flip. I've been on ghosts as a kid, now I got house full of kids. Where I keep.
I pretty much almost did the whole entire living room and kitchen, but I'm still folding clothes. I gotta go get my youngest set of twins off the bus. One of them gonna be there, but I gotta pick the other one up from school and pick up my oldest set of twin girls from school. For those that don't know me, if you're new to my channel, I'm a mom of 5 with 2 sets of twins. Yes, I said that. 2 sets of twins. I have to go pick them up from school as well, from tutoring. I don't know why they still have tutoring right now when they're testing. So I guess they still having tutoring to help with their testing. So that's a plus for them. So I gotta pick them up from school. Then after I pick them up, I have to go grocery shopping. I ain't gonna get too much. I'm gonna get today's meal. My life is busy every day. My house don't get too bad. It's dirty like this every day, but it does get dirty. I'm a family of 7. It's my husband, me, and my 5 kids. And sometimes it be 8 of us because my niece be over here and I'm gonna get her this weekend again. So, baby, when do I ever get a break? When I go to sleep. Yeah, all right. But let's go get the kids real quick and I will talk to you in a few. I have DJ Louise with me. Just got him off the bus. In a few minutes, I'm about to go get Olivia, but we inside Brooks's right now. About to go inside real quick to get tonight's dinner and a couple things. I should have went to Walmart, but I need some seasoning out here though that I use every time I cook. Go get the bucket, DJ. Where? Over there. My husband got me hooked these lifesavers. I'm gonna get it's $1.99. I can't find this at Walmart no more or Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna get 2 of each. Cause both me and my husband both like it. Get that. My husband will love this immunity zinc orange mango. I like the cranberry mango, which is way up there at the top. But it's something else I had up in here. Or that's at Walmart. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the cranberry mango. It's $3.49. Why is it $4.19? Because it's immunity. That's why. I'm about to get 2 packs of this, $9.72 for 1 pack. And what's the other one? $11.45. $10.01. They look, well, they kind of thick, but I don't know. They don't even have the breakfast shots that we like, but it can't be picky. You see what I'm saying? Ain't nobody told you to put nobody in the headlock at the zoo.
No, Daddy said if someone put their hands on me, I have to put my hands on them back. And you said that too.
Yeah, if they put their hands on you first. So
Yeah,
why you put that little boy? Why you put that little boy in the
He put his
headlock?
hands on me first.
Oh, he did.
Yeah.
He did again today.
No, it was yesterday. I mean, the day before yesterday.
My food is finally done. The pork chops. Look at them pork chops. Juicy pork chops with the onions on there, honey. And quick and easy macaroni and cheese and beans. Green beans, gore green beans with potatoes in it. We're gonna fix these plates and then we gonna end the night.
Ain't gonna have whole 8K.
And the food is delicioso. Look at that. Wee. Don't talk about my box macaroni and cheese. Still good.
Because she got more flavor to it.
Your mama drink good. The food good. Audrey on her second pork chop. Okay.
No, I'm not.
Everybody good and fed. Aiden already gone. Ate all his food. And he had 2.
Yeah, I remember at the doctor had put her shirt up, she had stuck it in. Yeah, you had it like this.
There's nothing. And I'm even
Oh, yeah, look.
Look, big.
Look, when Andrew has to get look, when Andrew has to get her nose shot, she started to cry. And she was she was
Oh, wait, no, let's talk about this. When you got your tongue swab. Oh, don't tell me when you were.
No, I wasn't even crying.
Oh, yes, you were.
I was
Yeah,
like,
that too. You were crying. You were
You
crying.
too late,
Dinner is definitely was a success. I ate me about 2 pork chops myself. Okay, it was so good. But I'm about to end this night. I hope y'all enjoyed this long vlog. Well, semi-long vlog, but I hope you enjoyed. Got some motivation to clean your own house, motivation to go shop Even if it's for the day, I get it. I'm a mama of 5. Sometimes you gotta go to the store every day. Sometimes you don't. Save gas, okay? But I need to do better. But, you know, that's how life is. You know, life gets busy. But it's okay. Just get what you can do for that day and move on to the next day. But we about to end this day, and I see you tomorrow. You see me when I see you. Peace. Bye. Thank you.